my god!
No! No! Oh shit! Oh! It's the most stupidest idea I've ever done.
Yo!
Do you know how deep underground we are right now?
That was a river right from Cal. Literally that thing came in, it was like Titanic all over again. Whoa! What's happening right now?
You already know.
Oh yeah.
When me, you and Steve are in the same place at the same time, and the drama's going down. Hey!
Yo!
Shit!
What is going on, bro?
Damn. You guys.
Good to see you, man. So, bro, did the train trip take you 12 hours?
12 hours?
Yeah, 12 hours. You was on the train for 12 hours, weren't you?
Oh, yeah.
No, according to Andrew thought the train was 12 hours. I took a train along.
Oh, so it
took me 12 hours, yeah.
Oh, what the f? Yeah, it only took me 2 hours.
They had a guy on the front of it pumping a thing that was like going dead slow, that's why.
Oh, okay. Sorry to keep you guys waiting, so I got delayed and shit.
Yeah. You always won now, Steve.
I know. All the time. Yo, I'm pumped for this trip. It's gonna be insane.
Should be good, man.
I'll be ready, Steve.
Always good.
You know what happens, man. Every time we're on road trips, we nearly either die or we get arrested.
Don't say that. You always say that too.
That's the start of the trip. That's how we do it. Yo, Steve. So every time we meet up, there's always a near-death experience.
It's true.
How do you feel about it, man?
Not too bad. I mean, we get out alive all the time. So we got like 9 lives.
Yeah. Well, mind you saying that, I think we've spared all 9 now.
Nah.
I reckon.
Maybe 4 or 3. So we got like, what? I can't do math. 5 left? Yeah, we got plenty of time.
Yeah. Never know, we might run out of 5 on this trip.
Oh,
well, if we get the near-death experience out of the way today, and we can have a chilled-out trip.
Yeah.
Final destination shit.
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna cue the music right now.
Is this a transition?
Yeah. You know the elevator music.
Oh yeah.
Guys, leave me a comment right now. Do you remember the video we did when Victoria train station was underground in the summers? Leave me a comment right now. Just throwing back some memories right there. So right now in the UK it is Pancake Day. We've been doing pancake challenges and all sorts of stuff. What's going on, man?
We're making history right here. Pancake Day Tuesday, you already know. It's going down in the Fire's kitchen.
So Steve's about to eat a pancake with Tabasco. Oh yeah.
You like Tabasco?
I do, but like on pancake, that kind of sounds gross.
As well,
I think
soften
just
the flavor.
Tabasco is better than like.
A bit of lemon sauce, a bit of whipped cream, you'll be good to go.
That's disgusting. Tabasco, lemon sauce, and whipped cream.
Yeah, that's what it has to be. It has to be something sweet with it too.
Getting ready.
Thanks, guys. The swallow technique.
Lubrication, I've already told you.
Lubrication. Okay, how the hell do you do that?
Well, Tabasco sauce is going to be your lubrication today, bro.
You ready, bro?
Right.
It's only a smallish
Yo,
one.
that's hot. I'll like cool down a bit.
Let it melt and marinate.
Yeah. Oh.
I don't see any on there yet. Is it coming out?
Oh.
There we go. It's out.
Bro, you have to eat all.
My advice, just roll it up so you can't taste the
Alright,
tobacco
so
on your
what
gums.
do I get if I eat it all? What do I get?
Oh, if you get
it needs to be
if
a
you-
prize.
Right, so you've got £10 so far.
Yeah, I can smell that. It's better in my nose.
sleep in the car tonight.
No, what can we do?
That was an option. What the f? I'm getting out of here.
Let's spam the Steve emojis. Come on.
Quit spam it,
Give
spam
him
it,
some
spam
support.
it.
Let's spam them.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, he's going for it. Where's my phone? He's still looking for my phone.
Oh man.
Oh, it's going down.
It's hard to go down.
Is it hot?
Yo, Dan, give me some tips.
Just swallow, bro. Don't chew it. That's Dan's best of deep throat dancer.
So
Just
hard to
swallow it.
swallow it.
Everyone's spamming the Steve emojis.
I'm almost done.
Oh my god, bro.
How is it, Steve? Come on, we need it.
Swallowing.
Oh.
Oh, he's nearly done it all.
Oh.
he did
yo.
Round of applause.
Yeah.
Like a champ.
Well done.
What is about to happen right now? I don't even know. I don't even know why we're doing this, but we're the boys right now. We're about to sail in to Britain's longest, deepest tunnel. That is right. On life rafts and a motorboat. Wish us luck. RIP if you don't see this. Well, this is the actual 6-man life raft, also known as the Kraken. So Matt's actually brought this boat, and we're going through those gates right there into the depths of the unknown.
So tonight we are with Steve Ronan, who came all the way out from the US to be here. We're also joined with 2 new people. Could you say your name? Who are you guys again?
Jess.
And Sam.
And from what I hear, from what Matthew Williams tells us, is there's some underground legends in Bristol.
That's right.
I kind of trust anyone who Matthew recommends, or should I? Should we trust Matthew, Steve?
That's been questioned many times.
It's a hard one. It's definitely a hard question to answer. But yeah, let's get ready. We need to pump this boat up.
Real quick, I do want to ask though, how are you guys feeling right now? Before we've even inflated the boat, got him in the water, do you guys think we can pull this off?
I reckon we can do it.
We can do it.
You
Yeah.
guys think we can do it?
Yeah.
And you? The look on your face. The look on your face right there. You're looking like you're thinking about.
Well, whenever we're like in a crew like this, like stuff goes down like unexpected. So it makes great content though. So yeah, thumbs up for this video, guys.
Yeah, not to mention as well, the viewers at home watching this right now, it is absolutely ice cold. Like we've been freezing all day and we're about to go into water. This is just stupid. Like, don't try this at home. We do this so you don't have to.
Whatever it takes.
I say it's time to cue that pirate music.
You're a pirate. You can have a Jolly Rogering tonight.
Yo, Steve,
Yeah.
what's going on, bro?
I'm feeling safe. Yeah. Good.
I'm glad you're feeling safe, man.
You're not.
No, I'm not feeling safe, bro.
You're not feeling safe?
You know what happens on these trips, man.
Yeah, you're right.
We're gonna be all right. Oh,
Chances of dying. I mean, the slim.
Yeah, I'm gonna be hopping onto the Kraken, first time experience. It's Dan's boat. He's been doing some crazy adventures with it, so I'm quite honored to be joining him on this mission today.
I mean, there's stuff you gotta know though, right? So I'm the captain of the ship.
Uh huh.
The ship goes down. Normally the captain goes down with it, but I'm not being funny. You're all going down with me.
I think it's, you know, every time Steve comes to the UK, it's always bad news.
Every time, but continue on. I feel like I know what you're gonna say.
The funniest thing is he just accepts it now.
Yeah, yeah.
Look, I'm so used to this already. I know what Carl's gonna say. You're gonna say like, Steve, we're all gonna die.
Yeah,
Pretty much.
cue it right now,
Yeah.
Steve. We're all gonna die.
And then I say, no, we're not. We're gonna make it alive.
Yeah.
You can even go watch the previous video. I said that way before when I did a trip with them.
Car cave. You said that.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
said that
yeah.
in the car game. I said that for the Red Door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the Drug Lords Underground.
I mean, the other day when obviously we picked you up from the train station in Manchester, and we was talking about cats having 9 lives,
Oh, right.
and we're still trying to figure out how many lives we've used.
Definitely running out.
Yeah.
Not cool.
But that means we'll make it safe for this one.
Extended life, boys.
You never know. You might find some health points down here, boys. Cover a bit.
Extend XP.
Some revival potions.
So I just want to kind of sing a song right now, you know, if it does go wrong. Oh no, wait a minute, before it goes wrong.
Okay.
It's been nice knowing you guys, but I don't want this to end. So let's Hope it continues forever, never ends.
Whoa! Who knew Carl could sing? Wow, came on that YouTube live.
Yeah, oh, we could do some freestyle shit. Yo, we're about to go underground. I nearly said effing around, but you know, we're going to look deep underground. Longest tunnel, bro. We ain't joking around. We're just floating, yo.
Right, let's get in the boat.
So the plan of action is these guys are gonna try get underneath the gap first, and then we need to somehow hook the Kraken onto the back of the boat. This is just, I don't know, guys. Leave me a comment right now. What are we doing? Leave me your thoughts. I need to know. Also, guys, don't forget to smash that like button right now. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure the notification bell is on. We're doing some next level stuff. To be fair though, looking at that gap, it looks pretty damn big. Oh, wait a minute. Moment of truth. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Stream. Oh, shit. Oh my god.
Wait, calm down. Slow down. Calm down, Andrew.
Oh, Jesus. Matt, can you try like slide your legs forward and lean backwards?
Well, hang on, guys. Yeah, Matthew, you're gonna have to lean back, literally.
Yeah, but we can't turn the boat around. It hasn't got the width.
Why do you need to turn it around?
Oh, you're fucking right, man. Sorry. Why did I think we need to... Thanks, thank you. Thanks. I need to think.
That's why you got me here, okay, Matt?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What the heck, bro?
Oh, yo, bro. What is going on? Careful, bro.
Is it?
Aye. Take it slow though, man. Take it slow. Are you alright there, Sam?
Yeah, I'm alright, mate.
You sure?
Yeah.
We ain't gonna get under.
We are.
We're not. No, we need to reorganise. We need to get flatter. Mate, no, it's not. No, trust me. Slow it down. Slow it down.
You slow it down. Just grab it.
No, we can't. 1 minute. 1 minute. Ah, my head. My head. Ah, my head. This is we're not gonna. We need to reorganise.
Right, okay, let's reorganise.
You alright, Sam?
Yeah, I'm all good, man.
Right, you lie over there.
Can I show my leg?
What the Yo!
Oh, right, let's inflate this properly. I've squashed my sandwiches. We did it.
Sam, you alright there, bro? You alright, Steve?
No, I'm not alright. I'm not alright.
This is so uncomfortable, bro.
Is it inflating? Yeah, it is, right?
This is how real pirates do it.
Yo, Ed, are you filming all this?
Yo, what's that sound? What's that sound, bro?
Coming out.
Yo, there's like an air leak or something. I don't know, bro.
It's really happening.
It just doesn't feel real anymore.
No.
What are we doing right now?
Only in the UK.
Oh, we're in the UK, bro.
Guys, you can start to move in a minute. Ready?
Alright, let's go! Oh my god.
Oh, shit. Put in the wrong gear.
Oh no, did I just hear that?
I can't see which direction it is. I haven't used it for a while. So, okay.
Whoa. Bro, we just scraped the side. Oh my god. It's not gonna put a hole in this, is it? Yo, this is getting rough in here, bro. Yo!
Whoa! Nearly man overboard.
Whoa! Yo, we're like bouncing everywhere right now.
We've got a problem right now. We went so fast that the rope snapped and now we're not attached to them.
This is not cool, man. Clear! If you didn't die getting him, we're gonna die now.
Oh shit. Oh, okay.
Yo, what was that sound, bro? Whoa. Whoa. Yo, get the sides, otherwise we're gonna get f***ing flattened. Oh, Whoa! Yo, we need to take it easy so we don't pop this shit. Whoa! What the I don't know why I find this so funny. This is like life threatening right now. Yo, what the?
There's a train right next to us.
Dude, we are underneath the train right now.
Whoa. What?
The water. You see the water? Ah, shit.
Hold on. We need to move it properly.
Oh shit. Oh yo.
Oh! It's going right Yo, you can use your paddle.
Oh.
Oh my god. We cannot hit that. Yo, we're going into it now. We're going into it. Yo, it's so oh, it's a lot. Oh
Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
No, no, yeah, move it.
Yo.
Right.
Yo. No.
No.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yo. What the fuck? Oh yo. Yo, it's coming in. It's coming in. Go.
Yo, move that.
Oh shit.
Yo, there's water in here, dude.
Get the towels.
Holy shit. No, we gotta get the plan.
Where's the other towel? Use that other towel as well.
Alright, this is survival now.
Steve, we need to swap places. I'll get on the left side.
Okay.
Quick, we're going to put too much weight on it if it tips. How do you feel to be aboard the Kraken?
I don't know, man. If it was enough, that was a near death experience. When that water was rushing on my side, I thought, bro, the 9 lives is done.
So this is Carl's first time aboard the Kraken. Welcome aboard.
Arr, we sail a thousand seas. We'll nearly die off this ship. I'll drive you underneath the ship. A terrifying, deadly trick.
We do this, so you don't have to.
I'm getting high on the fumes of that boat.
Yo, I don't know, man. It gets narrower.
Yo, it's taking time.
How are we looking up ahead? Looks like it's over here. Oh, good.
Yeah, Steve.
I mean, it's pretty scary. Not gonna lie.
Good.
Yeah, I mean, kind of. I just want to get to land.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. As soon as I walk in, I think all 3 of us on the back was like, yeah, we're getting off. You see the water, you're kind of gonna go space.
It's so smoky inside.
Yeah,
All the fumes are going straight inside the tent.
it's getting us high.
Yeah, you're right, Steve, though, sure.
I'm feeling a little bit happy for some reason. I feel good. I feel really good, actually.
Feel alive.
Yeah.
Welcome to the UK, Steve. Hold on, everyone.
No!
Hold on, everyone.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Hold on, I can see it up ahead. Right, hold on. Hold on, we're all going to get wet. Okay?
Alright, there's a little waterfall up ahead.
Pull this over.
Yep.
Bro, is that not the station you need to get off at? Oh! Was that on the station?
Andrew!
Oh!
This is what we're doing moment right now.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Not gonna lie, there's something quite therapeutic about floating down.
About immediately drinking cold water. Yeah. Let the water get pop in the ball. You know, it's come over and should be
It's on the lead right now. I think this is the most stupidest idea I've ever had. Yo!
Bro, don't sit right on the wall, bro. Right, get fucking up.
It'd be like science bro, you know, like with jacks on the side. And that's, we've got like multiple jacks hanging to the side of the boat.
Basically, Carl saying that if it's more than 6, we're not all going to get on that. So what I'll do is Matthew's going to have to drive the boat out where we're all hooked on the side to it, getting pulled out.
Yo, is this one in?
Let go.
Yo, does anyone know any songs?
What we're gonna do with a drunken sailor? We're gonna do with a drunken sailor. We're gonna do with a drunken sailor early in the morning.
Yo, what was that?
Oh,
What was that? Yo, a fish just jumped out the water, bro, tried to get me. Did you not see that? Bro, the fish just jumped up and splashed me, bro.
got some water.
Ah, shit. For God's sake, bro.
More water, boys. Look at that. Wow, look at the cover above us. Massive.
So for the guys watching this right now, this has been going on for about, no joke, about an hour. We've been doing this for an hour. Man, where's this dog?
Well, the dock's just 10 minutes away, don't worry.
It's been 10 minutes, Dad! You said that 10 minutes ago!
It just seems different, like, from walking.
What's that? Yo, I can feel it, like, bleeding almost.
Yeah, I know, me too.
No, this is bullshit, guys. We gotta find land. Guys, it's light.
Turn the lights off. Turn the lights off.
No, we don't have to. That's
Yeah, we do.
why.
Turn the lights off. There's someone down there.
Ah, that's from the outside. Yeah, that's moonlight.
It's not moonlight. Bro, do you know how deep underground we are right now?
Well, it can't be someone.
There's no moonlight.
Well, yo, I'd rather get out of this than sink in this water. So I don't care if there's someone there, I'll get out.
Right, turn this one off. Honestly, there's something in there.
Yo, what is going on with some random lights going on?
Looks like a docking station.
I'm getting out. I'm getting the fuck out.
Yeah, but why? The lights shouldn't be on because the lights are all they're triggered by sensors. But the light's already on, so why?
Yo, I don't care. I'm getting out. I'm not staying in this water.
Oh, that's creepy, bro.
Yeah, this is it. This is it. Don't touch any wires here, guys. They are super high voltage. This is where we're getting off.
Okay.
You can tie the boat to the ladder.
Just be aware that we've still got obstruction, so don't be anything silly with the boats, yeah? But just in case there's anything, should be alright, yeah?
Oh, that's some signal sound, isn't it?
Yeah.
And did they have whoppers?
Oh, my legs, I can't feel my legs. Ah, shit. I'll get it. Alright, you guys are staying away from it. What? Oh, my legs. Hold on, I need to stand up. I can't feel my legs. No, numb. Just numb. Hold on, man. I need to regain like blood in my legs.
Yeah, no worries.
Holy shit. Yo, your ass is on my face, man. I'm just kidding.
Your ass is in my face.
Sorry,
So how are we gonna get?
Matt,
What?
now's your chance. No, I'm just kidding.
Steve, I didn't know you came.
We're pulling ourselves up to you, so just let us do it.
Put this into you, and you can pass it to Carl. Carl can tie it.
You see, yeah?
You got to wear the bag. Okay, hold on.
Is that everything? Huh? My camera? Yeah. Be careful, my baby is recording. Daddy, you can record with my camera.
I've got hands full, bro.
Alright, look. I'll borrow your footage then.
That's right, Jess is gonna do it.
Is that it, bro?
Yeah, get yourself up, Carl.
Yo, I can't feel my legs. I'm soaking wet. And that was a river right from camp.
Guys, what's been your thoughts so far about getting in here? Leave your comments down below. Oh, okay. I didn't know you were filming.
Go back down.
I didn't see you there.
So did you find out then? Honestly, you don't know the struggles we went through when we when we went through that waterfall.
That was crazy, man.
What was it like, bro?
Gushing of water.
No joke, right? No joke. Me, Sam and Steve were just like, we're done now. That is it. We're done. That thing on.
I didn't see it.
Bro, you needed to see it, and then you understand why we went pale.
I wonder why you were panicking.
We was just all.
Water trickling. I didn't realise it all came in that hole.
No, bro. Literally, that thing came in. It was like Titanic all over again. So you can hear this. This is basically a echo. So when people get stranded or whatever on the train line, they can find the sounds of this to try and get to safety. So right now we're in the disused part of the railway. We're actually about to walk down there, take a cut through to actual live train track. So hopefully see some trains. My legs are absolutely still just absolutely numb. My legs are wet. Honestly, we just thought we was gone. So I can actually hear a train right now. This is freaky. On the roof you can actually see like black marks from where the steam trains used to come through here. So that's all sort. Just think how old that sort is.
Be careful on that bridge. It's right above the canal. And it looks old.
There's a train coming, bro.
It's taking a long time.
Right, watch your lights.
Is that people?
No, it's a train. I can hear it rumbling.
Yeah, come on, come on.
We're all good. We're all
Yeah, we're all good, man.
Don't see the lights out. You can see the lights on the track.
Joe, it's in the left. It's in the left.
It's coming up and set down your side, this side.
Oh, there's a train.
Alright.
It's coming, it's coming. The train's coming.
Here we go.
It's the train.
That was a service vehicle, wasn't it?
That was a service vehicle. Yo, that was a service vehicle, bro.
Alright, well, come on. Let's go find the bigger cavern and look at the trains from there.
Look up. You can take a shower. Yeah, look up.
Whoa.
Oh, is this the shaft?
I don't want to get my camera wet.
You get time to like duck out of the way of them.
The train coming. Holy shit! Mate, honestly, that was like close. Jesus.
Yeah, once the head goes light, turn on your light and shine it so they can see it on camera better.
Once the full light on, when it's come back, yeah?
After the head goes by, yeah.
That was unmistakable. I heard them. This head of my voice. We all did that.
What now?
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Well, let's be realistic here. If a canal boat were to come, there's nothing we can do.
No.
Do you think it's bounced back echo really long?
No, it was unmistakable. It sounded like the chanting we heard the first time the canal boat came through.
Do you still hear it now?
Not yet, but we're a lot quicker.
What was that? Did you hear that?
There's a canal boat coming.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
It's not paranormal this time, bro.
No, that dude, that's
This one's a canal boat coming. And our boats are down there.
It's just gonna crash it.
Jack.
Unless they're doing maintenance at night.
I think that could be why they left that boat down.
Or we got caught. The only other thing is we got caught. What's that, bro?
No, it's alright.
Well, it sounds like voices down there anyway.
Con, you wanna walk with me?
Once you get down here, it's a lot quieter.
Okay, bro.
No, that's it.
That was Woman's voice.
Yeah, I heard a woman's voice.
That's it.
I didn't. Once you get down here, it's a lot clearer. You can hear it.
I can hear
Yo,
it.
this is really weird. We're hearing like talking and stuff.
So wait, you're hearing the echolocation echoing.
It goes down and then it comes back, and it takes a long time to come back.
Wait till you get down here.
Wait. Shh. That.
Whoa.
I heard something there.
There's people down there. I don't know how.
They're talking a lot
On our
though.
own. Maybe there's other explorers.
Sounds logical.
Bro, stay hydrated.
Cheers, bro. We need this.
That was like an advert for Evian right there. It's just like.
You right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go.
You alright, bro?
Jesus.
Oh shit. Dan just nearly went in. We're just walking these tunnels. We've been walking for absolutely ages right now. We've just come to this like metal bridge. Steve's struggling to get through there.
One by one. Holy crap. Bro, what is this?
Yo, that is high.
Never mind.
Yo, we can see lights down there.
There's a light flashing? I don't know what that
There are
is.
two lights flashing. What the fuck?
If it's not them,
I think it's them. It has to be.
No, that's dude, that looks like a car.
why would they be shining a torch at us?
I'm gonna try to zoom in. You don't know it's a car, bro. I can see right here, it's a car. No, it's a car, bro. Look on my screen, it's a car. Look. Look. No, look. That's a car.
It's got two headlights.
Dude, where's my car? I should be laughing, right? Bro, let me zoom in again. Let me zoom in.
Night vision.
No, it's a car, bro. Look.
Can I see?
Look, wait a minute. No, it's not.
It just turned.
It's got two lights.
Bro, that's not a car.
Oh, you think it's paranormal?
Dude, that's important.
Dude, that's like lights down the tunnel, bro. Whoa, look at that. Just that one just came out of nowhere.
They're like moving around.
It's moving around. It's
coming
closer.
It's coming closer.
Oh, look at that one.
What? I didn't think it's them.
Bro, it disappeared.
Yo, it's gone. Yo, the lights have gone.
Shine light.
Yo, the lights have gone.
Who the?
The lights have gone, bro. No. Oh. You know.
Listen. What the hell?
Turn it back on. If I could hear it singing, man.
It's like, it can't be people because they'd be telling us something. They'd be screaming and yelling.
Dude, I don't know what's going on.
You heard that was bells?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate the bells then.
You heard the bells?
Yeah, I just heard the bells, bro. Ooh. What was that?
What are those shapes next to it though?
Whoa, what happened there?
It just went out.
Should we shout down?
Yeah.
Yo,
Hello?
Hey!
Yo, they've gone. They've gone.
Bro, it didn't.
It just went out. Totally just went out.
Yo, this is so. This is so strange right now. What?
Let's go.
Yo, that is so strange. So we're debating whether to take.
If my boat pops, it's probably going to be time to get into the life raft and then go down in the life raft.
And then hang on the sides. I don't know, man. That enough alone for me was enough.
It's always happened. Why do we stand around debating at the end of it?
No. Why is
It
it?
always happens.
Well, the sooner the better, because after we have an hour through here, we have an hour drive back, and then I have another 30-something minutes back to my house, and I have to stop and get birthday cards from Mazda, so...
I'll take the yellow boat.
You're taking the yellow boat?
I guess
Oh
I'll
my
take
God,
the
Steve,
yellow
you're
boat.
taking the yellow boat.
Yeah.
I wonder if I should just walk it on my own.
Are you really not gonna do it? Just do it.
Oh
If
shit!
you walk, then I guess I'll walk. Then yeah, I guess I'll walk it.
Holy shit, we're walking it.
Walk it. You mean
What?
boat it.
I thought you guys were saying walking it.
No, I'm saying boat it. Get in the boat.
I guess, yeah. That's video. Or if the fence is open, then we can just walk
Fence
it
is
down.
open, but
Steve, why don't you have like a Mr. Kipling or something and then decide?
I already had 4, man. I'm full.
Maybe the 4's not enough. Maybe it's not.
Kiplings and then you'll be alright then.
Yeah.
So this is called a camera vest. It's also a life vest. So you get best of both worlds combined together. Like I could just vlog and just move around and just hit record. I don't even need to hold anything. I can have both hands too.
Dude, you can even just capture the real raw footage of us like
Dude,
sinking, bro.
I can even climb that ladder with my 2 hands and just have the camera show.
Ah, that's a good idea, bro.
Alright? I like this a lot.
Yo, you know what you should do, man? You should paint in that design and just sell it off.
Yeah. By the way, it's patented already, so don't even try to create such thing. It's patented. Who's the dad?
my arms are getting tired holding onto this ladder, you know.
Do you want this receipt or just out of your pocket?
No, I would like you to move your boat, please.
Yo, I need that receipt to get out of here, bro.
I'm going in the orange one. This time around, I can only access.
Bro, have you noticed right now?
What's up?
Just looking into that raft just looks like really cozy and just relaxing. It looks like a nice river ride, doesn't it?
It does, but it was a horrible experience.
You just know it's not, man. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button right now. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. This has definitely got to be up there with one of the weirdest, craziest explores we've done. I think what really sold it for me was almost nearly dying in the life raft. When that water come rushing in, it was just like, yeah, we are screwed. Plus we're like 2 miles underneath mountains, so if both boats were to just pop, we ain't gonna survive.
Where do you find out flying the rope to?
Alright.
I'll be honest, we're having some issues. Can you cut it off?
Alright, Carl. It's pretty good. It's your turn.
Yo, just trying to do this one-handed.
Yeah, Jess. You got the big one, yeah?
Yo,
You might need that.
all aboard. As Taxman said, I'm definitely gonna rate this on TripAdvisor.
Alright. I've got to stay right there behind you. Just do the last minute. We're in the middle of this one. Yeah, no. The last minute. You'll see me go down.
So right now we've got Steve on flashlight duties. We got Matt on driving duties.
And you're also the assistant.
Yeah, the assistants trying to get the boat caught on the walls.
Yeah.
Just like we're doing in the raft. I feel a lot more safer and a lot more happier on this right now.
Yeah, for sure.
I would not like to be in that raft right now. No way, bro. Never again.
That was like a roller coaster ride.
Yeah, that was so bad.
A water park ride. I think we walked here.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Yeah, we were just up there.
This is where it was before.
Yeah.
The main torch for the boat has just died, so we'll have to resort to camera lamps and a normal torch. And it's pitch black in here. And obviously we can't do it without the lights off, because you don't want to scratch into the wall and start sinking.
Smaller though, with hopefully some glass at the very end. Think this flashlight can last to the very end, Carl?
What's that, sorry?
You think your flashlight's good, Carl? Like,
Yeah, it's good, man.
that good.
Alright, we're getting tighter again. We're getting tighter. We just had to like push off the walls again. And these walls are so like razor sharp. Oh, bro. Yo, my camera's taking a beating non-stop today.
Same here, bro.
It's getting tight.
Oh, it's bad. Sorry, sketch you out here. On this side. You did a good job, man. Sorry, guys.
Left side, Matt. Left side. Left side. Left side.
Sorry.
Left side. Left side. What? So this is like raw teamwork going on right now, just to get out this so we don't damage the boat and then sink, because we just don't want to do that right now.
Like, everybody is focused. Everybody is thinking. No need for talking. It's just like it's just like proper. Everyone knows what they got to do. You can hear the big one.
Yeah, the big one's coming up, bro.
Oh my god, it's huge.
Shit, this is the one that nearly took us out.
Yeah. Brace yourself, boys.
Bro.
Big flood.
The real big flood.
Yo, it's the big one.
So this shit, yeah.
We're getting towards it. We're getting towards it.
Whoa.
Brace yourself.
Oh, look at that. Straight around it, all good. Oh, man. More water, bro.
Alright, let's see.
Yo, Steve. Does this mean we've made it?
No, not yet. Shit. It just get caught.
Oh, it's just snapped on one side. What happened?
It just snapped.
Snapped.
It just snapped, bro.
Yeah, we thought our boat was gonna flip over.
Sexy time.
It's so good.
Yeah. It wants it.
Please, let's just pray we make it.
I know, right?
Finally made it. Finally made it.
Alright,
Right. Right, get ready to catch it, Steve. Huh? Steve, the gate.
We finally made it to the entrance.
No, Steve, watch the gate, bro. Right. Oh my god.
I take complete credit. I take the complete credit for everything. I got a dick on my head. And then give me the space to put the engine under, so you can literally get up there now, dude.
Alright, I'll get out first. Alright, see you later, suckers!
Yeah.
We managed to survive. Again, what is going on? Sure, these lives must be running out right now.
Maybe it was faith, man. We're just meant to like roam the seas, go underground, and document everything before we die.
That's the way it must be, bro. So that's it from here. That was absolutely crazy. Got to be up there with one of the maddest things I've ever done. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it was just so scary, just knowing full well that if the boat just pops, we are just gonna die. There's no surviving that one bit. But my god, that was just crazy. We're all freezing cold. It's about -4 out. Oh, it's just madness. Honestly, I just generally can't get my head around what we've just done. But we've literally been in there for about 6 hours. That's it's just too long. Honestly, it's just too long underground. But guys, smash that like button right now, and yeah, wish us luck for the rest of the trip.